Dave Aguilera is here with us tonight. We've got some rain showers out there.
We do indeed. We should have a party. The monsoon finally started to show up. That's that reversal of the moisture coming up from Mexico, pushing in here, along with a cold front, which is pulling right down across Wyoming. And those two things mixing together and producing some good weather around here. Now, take a look. It was really nice to see the clouds and the moisture today. And as we put this into motion, you could see kind of two areas of thunderstorms that come together here, right along the Front Range, and then another one developing out here across the eastern plains. So let's start you off up north, up in Fort Collins and Greeley. We've had steady rain going on, hours of rain in some of those cases from Fort Collins over into Briggsdale. And then for Denver, most of our rain has been on the west side, but we've clouded up. And I want to point out something cool on the radar here. You see that little swath, if you will, that little dark green patch right there. That's outflow winds coming out of those thunderstorms, which are up north, and that's creating a resurgence of thunderstorms out to the east as well. As far as the water goes, it was all over the place up there around Fort Collins and Loveland, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to over 2 inches of rainfall in some areas like Brian Ehrlich in Wellington, 1/2 inch there, and over 2 inches of rain in Poudre Park from Boots Jaffe, and he says that happened in about 30 minutes. So from there, Poudre Park into parts of Fort Collins, we've had some minor flooding going on with some of the heavier rains. Same thing in Colorado Springs, man. Some parts of the southeast side of town really got pounded with rain out there. In fact, in Peterson Air Force Base, in a matter of about 30 minutes, they had over 2 inches of rainfall there as well. Man, oh man, that's a lot of water. Not much in the way of severe storms as far as hail, but just a lot of rain, a lot of wind as well. I also want to point out a good outflow boundary out of this from the Springs storms right there. Look at the big line of wind coming through, and now all of that wind is beginning to create a line of thunderstorms out here in eastern Colorado. Also quickly want to point out that some of our burn scars have picked up some showers and thunderstorms today, so many of those have a flash flood watch until 9 p.m. The Lake Christine burn scar, the 416, and the various burn scars we have in the Sangre de Cristos as well. Now, before the storms got going today, we made it to 88 degrees today. That's it. No 90-degree reading. 85 downtown. What a relief. It's 80 out there right now and a little gusty. Look at the winds gusting 26 to 30 miles per hour out of the north-northwest. Now, tonight, the storms will move on out of here. We will dry out tomorrow, partly cloudy to start the day. And by afternoon, there's a little drier air coming in, but there's enough moisture that we may see a few isolated thunderstorms in the mountains and the eastern plains in the afternoon, so we'll look for that. All right, overnight temperatures tonight will be in the 40s and 50s up high, 60s and 50s down low. And tomorrow, more 80s for the northeast, a few 90s down to the southeast, and unfortunately, out there in the western slope, you're going to be hot again. So isolated storms early tonight will be in the 60s for the overnight low. Tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90 degrees with about a 10% chance of late-day thunderstorms, a little less than today. 92 on Saturday. It will be a hot day, but then we cool it back down Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, back in the 80s and back into the isolated to scattered afternoon storm pattern.
It's amazing how much cooler just the 80s are from the 90s.
It feels so
just
good.
that little bit.
You know, normally if it's gray skies, you're bummed out, but not today.
Not today. Thanks, Dave.
Sports is next.